At Quality Service Plumbing, details aren't just part of the job, they are the job. We specialize in commercial plumbing solutions across the Treasure Valley, partnering with contractors, property managers, and businesses to keep projects on time and up to code. From pre-construction planning to system installation, we bring precision, professionalism, and a commitment to craftsmanship. Our in-house fabrication and welding capabilities allow us to design and build custom solutions when standard options just don't cut it. Because your project deserves more than cookie cutter. Whether it's water lines, sewage systems, water heaters, or seasonal maintenance, our licensed team gets it done right the first time. Reliable, trusted, detail-driven. Because your commercial project demands more than just a plumber, it needs a partner. Let's build something great together. Give us a call today.